Okay. Very last one. Okay. So Bohr models and loose dot diagrams, that's what this worksheet is about. And it is 6, 7, 8. It's 8 of these that you're going to be drawing, and then the follow-up. So you guys can work with somebody on this if you want to, just for like dialogue, so you guys can discuss it and figure it out. Everyone needs to turn in their own stuff, so please. So on here, you guys are kind of looking to see what you have and then figuring out the rest. So on the first one I gave you, the element was carbon 13. Okay, so the atomic notation, see if I can get this pen thing to work very well. Okay, so you know that carbon is a C. 13 tells you right there in the notation over here that it has a mass of 13. You can look up on your periodic table and see that carbon has an atomic number of 6. And this one we're assuming is neutral because it doesn't tell us that there's a charge or anything. So we're not going to have anything in this top corner. So now you can come in and figure out how many protons, neutrons, and electrons there are. So for this one, since it has 6 protons, it's 6. Electrons, if it's neutral, it'll be 6. And then neutrons is going to be mass minus the protons. So this one would be 7. Now you can come in, and this is kind of new, so the number of energy levels versus the valence electrons. This is where your groups and periods come in on your periodic table. So you can look on your periodic table, figure out what group it's in. It's in group 14, so it's in group 14, so it's going to have 4 valence electrons because carbon can bond with like anything. It's kind of cool. Energy levels has to do with what period it's in. So it is, I don't have a periodic table handy. It's in the second. It's in the second, duh. Because it only has 6 electrons. Never mind. So energy levels, it is in the second energy level. Now you would come in and draw a Bohr model. So I'd say like, okay, this is my nucleus. I am going to draw one circle with 2 electrons on it. This is not pretty, guys. I'm going to draw another one with the other 4 electrons hanging out. And then drawing your loose dot diagram. So loose dot diagrams are just going to represent your valence electrons. They're going to have all of these guys. You're going to separate them. Boom, you're done. Okay, so that is kind of just what you're doing for these. Keep in mind, like there's a couple others that are like they look a little different than this, right? So this one gives you protons, neutrons, and electrons, so you're going to have to write out the notation yourself. This one, I'm going to give it a charge. I need to edit that. Anyway, so that'll have like a charge on it, which means the electrons are not the same as the protons. So you would have to figure out like, is it +1 or -1 or whatever it happens to be. And then you guys have a couple of questions down here. So please do treat this as like a partner assignment, not a group of like 3 or 4 or 5, please. But please discuss it with your partners. So if you have questions, let me know. It is 11 o'clock and it is way past my bedtime. So I think that was it. All right, I'll stop talking now. Hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully you skipped through any parts that you did need to see. Watch the videos under the resources tab, especially the Chernobyl and the Radium Girls. Those 2 are good ones. Watch Schrodinger's cat video from the slides if you are interested in that, because you do kind of need to know what you did. And then get these 2 assignments done. I will be here this afternoon, so come stop by if you need me. Send me an email. Come in during ACT Lab tomorrow, whatever. Tomorrow's Wednesday, but you know what I mean. Come find me. Please don't wait until Thursday to be like, Miss Blaine, I have no idea what you're talking about. So have a good day. I'll see you guys later.